could 10x my money way faster, and I don't gotta wait to become wealthy over the long term. Do you think I should come into? Do you think I can make the type of money too? It's a game that most people will lose money in. So now the question is, well, what's holding so many people back? And this is where we have, well, a lot of things happening. Number one, it is no longer access to technology, right? I mean, we have so many tools now in our tool belt, that allow people to start investing their money very simply. That's the great part. I love that part about fintech, is that investing has become so accessible for the average person, for anybody, that anybody can start investing with as little as even $1 now with some apps. The downfall now, the double-edged sword to this is people have access to this financial technology to start investing, but the financial education is lacking. And this is where now people get caught up in the wait. You're telling me that if I invest $100 a month for 46 years, I'll become wealthy. But if I put $100 into this meme stock or into this cryptocurrency or into this particular thing that's going to boom in 6 months, I could 10x my money way faster, and I don't got to wait to become wealthy over the long term. Now we have the exciting and the attractive and the fun side of investing, which really isn't investing. It's trading, it's gambling, it's speculating. Look, there is a place for trading. It's not for me. I don't trade. I don't know how to trade. I've tried trading before. I spent a lot of time trying to figure that out, and I didn't make any money. In fact, I don't even know if I lost money, but I probably lost a little bit of money doing that, but I lost a whole lot of time. Over the long term, what we have seen again and 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 again are the investors, the long-term investors are the people that will make more money over the long term, period, over traders. When times are good, the economy is booming, money is flowing, interest rates are low, everything's going up, traders will make a lot of money. We've seen that happen. And then that's when people get attracted to, wow, this person made so much money on this trade. Wow, I can't believe how fast you made that much money. Wow. Do you think I should come into? Do you think I can make the type of money too? And that's what gets a lot of people excited to start throwing their money into things that they don't understand, whether it's cryptocurrency, whether it's meme stocks, whether it's other stocks, whether it's penny stocks, whether it's anything. People will start throwing their money into things before they understand them, because you think, what if I can also see those big returns? But the reality is those returns are fleeting. If you get in quick enough and you sell before it busts, yeah, you can make a lot of money. But it's a game, and this is an active game, and it's a game that most people will lose money in. And that's where now you have to understand the right way to do it yourself. Now you might be saying, but Jaspreet, don't you invest in cryptocurrency? Yeah, but I'm not trading. I understand a different way of investing, right? I buy cryptocurrency every day, and it's a small piece of my portfolio. It's the speculative part of my portfolio. And so for me, I don't look at buying my investments like a trade. I'm looking at things 10 years down the road and what this will be worth to me then. And I don't advocate anybody to do what I do. I want you to take your own education and invest in what's important to you. So now, if you can become a millionaire with as little as $100 a month, and you can make even more money if you invest more money, the next question is, well, what's stopping people? So it's not the technology. Now we talked about the financial education. The last thing is, well, do I really want to wait that long? And now we get into this whole investment overload, this education overload. And it's the same with so many industries, right? The good part about social media is now you have access to unlimited education for free. You can go and learn about how to lose weight. You can go and learn about nutrition. You can go and learn about money. But there are so many opinions. In the health and fitness space, there are so many opinions about what's the best diet. Is it vegan? Is it carnivore? Is it keto? Is it whatever, intermittent fasting, whatever the other diets are? There's so many options. And so if you're just getting started and you start learning about all these options, you can very quickly be overloaded with it and say, you know what? I'm just going to stick with my donuts and cream cheese and I'm going to be good with that. We see it happen all the time with money, where people start looking at all their options. Okay, I got ETFs. That looks cool. Oh, index funds. Oh, what about mutual funds? Oh, real estate. Syndicate real estate deals, crowdfunded real estate deals, private equity deals, lending money. Oh, and now all of a sudden you get bombarded with all this information. And then you have a lot of people saying, you have to invest in this one thing. This is how you build wealth. When most of the times when people are telling you have to invest in stocks, or you have to invest in real estate, or you have to invest in options, most of them have their own agenda as to why they think there's nothing else out there. In reality, you can invest in whatever it is that you want, assuming it's a good investment, right? You can invest in stocks and build wealth. You can invest in real estate and build wealth. But you have to find the right option for you. And the mistake that so many people make, and the reason why so many people don't become wealthy from their investments, isn't because they made the wrong investment. It isn't because they invested into something with the wrong expense ratio. It's because they never got started.